Hello everyone, this is Shivani. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to use set on click listener for spinner. In my previous video, I have explained all the things about XML component spinner, how to use spinner and how to add the list to spinner. So in today's session, we will learn about if we want to add any operations on select of any item. So how to do that? I will explain all the things related to that in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please press bell icon for new updates of my videos. And if you find this video helpful for you, then please like, share and comment. So let's start with our today's topic. In our previous video, we have added this spinner in XML file and we have given ID as a SP course. So we have to initialize that in Java file to perform the operations on spinner. So I will create one object for spinner here. And I will give same name to this object as in XML file. In XML file, I have given name as a SP course. I have given same name here. Now we have to initialize that here in onCreate method. You can check my video of how to initialize the component in Android Studio. I will give that link in description box. You can check there so that you will understand how to initialize the XML component easily. Here I have done with initialization of spinner. Now what we have to do is, when I will select any of atom from spinner, it will show me the name of that list item and its position in toast message. So let's start with the on-click listener of spinner. For that, we have to use the ID of SP course dot. We have to use set on item selected listener for that. So in this method, we have to pass new and the object of on-click listener. So once you done with this code, you will get two overridden methods over here. First is on item selected and second is on nothing selected. So we want output on item selected. So what we want is the name of list item which we have selected and its position. So we'll write the code for the toast. So this is the code for the toast, and here we have to give course name which we have selected. I will give here label as course name semicolon, and after that we have to get the course name which we have selected with the help of the position. In this method, this int I is the position which we are selecting from the list. The spinner ID SP courses dot get item at position, and we have to pass the position which we have selected, which is I. So I have passed here the position. It will return name of the item which is present on that position, plus we have to show the position where it is located. For that I will give label as a position. I will take it on next line. With the help of /n I will give semicolon, and after that we want the position, so the position is I. So I will pass here I. So whatever position it will show here, and I will change the length short to the length long, so that we will able to see the output. So we have done with the code on item selected. So once we run our app on emulator, we will able to see the output. So I am going to run the app on emulator, and after it's installed we will check what it is showing. Our app is installed now. So here we have our list, and the list follows the index position as array. It is starting from 0 and onwards. So if we select this item, it will show the course name Java and the position 0. So let's check it. It is showing the course name Java and position 0. If you select this PHP, then it will show the course name PHP and position 2, as its position starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So it is showing correct position and the course name on the selecting of item. I hope you understood all the things related to on item click listener of Spinner, that those who want to learn Android, they will feel easy to learn. Thank you for watching.